Hello again. Now I'm on my next step on my rover build. I have found a nice DC motor. It's this one. It's from Rhino Motor Controls. It's a DC Servo Motor that you can control by serial or I2C. And I'm using serial. I have an external USB serial adapter here connected to my Raspberry Pi, and I don't use the integrated because this is what I will use on my rover. And it's pretty simple to use this DC motor. You just need to feed it 12 volts, up to 15 volts you can connect to it. And then you control the speed with the serial interface. This is just a buck converter to get 5 volt to the Raspberry Pi, because I have connected 12 volts to the DC motor. Yes, and I've written a simple Python program to control it. The first thing you do is just create this class, and I'm sending some start commands here to this. Here I create a serial line, and then I just send some start commands. This is just to reset the motor controller if something has gone wrong. And here I setting the position of the encoder to 1 as on the start. I don't use this in here, but I just setting it to 1. And then I set the speed dampening. It's how fast the motor can change speed. So if you is on max speed and go to 0, it won't just immediately stop. It's slow down. And to set the speed, you just send an S on the serial line, and then the speed and the carrier return. And the speed can be between minus 255, that's full speed backwards, and 0 is it's not moving, and plus 255 full speed ahead. I've also added a method here to set position. You can on one turn of the motor, the encoder can be set from 1 to 1825, 1825, if you want to move it like a servo, but I'm not using this. And just a simple command line interface. So here we can try it. I have tried before here. Now we shall see. Start just slowly. Settings to go to speed 20, and there it goes around. And you can change to the other direction. And you can increase the speed to 40, a little faster. 60. I can. It's a 300 RPM motor, but my power supply here is too weak. So if I go too fast, it will cut off. So I just going up to 100. I think is okay here. It goes faster. We go down to 0 again, like that. Yes, I think this motor will be fine. It's simple to connect, and it's pretty powerful and high revolution, 300 RPM. Yes, that's all. Bye bye.